Hey guys, Gina Marie Vega here, and I'm here to talk to you about this really awesome food scale. So this is a digital food scale that works 1, 2, 3. It is so easy. It's battery operated, and you could change the different units. It is a digital scale. You can reset it and then use it like that to add more items, or should I say liquids, into it in this point or scenario. We were using it at a bar that we have, and we were measuring some of our liquids that we were there, and you can see it goes backwards as well. It also has an app you can sync to, guys, so you can check that out as well. But it has a glass top cover, so it is nice and sturdy. It has full weight support on the bottom. It is really, really great. It is a smart kitchen scale that will be perfect for any kitchen. Great for baking, cooking, dieting. And it's a 24 nutrients with macro calorie counting, so on and so forth. It has up to 8,000 gram capacity. Okay, you can see here it is so simple to use. It is a touchscreen LED screen. Absolutely, positively love this scale, and it's so easy to show off. Look at that, it has all the components right there on the bottom. Guys, so easy to use. Highly recommend. And all you have to do is hold it down to turn it on and off and reset it. So there you go, and you are good to go.